As Frisco grows, so does the need for more outdoor warning sirens to alert people about severe weather.
We have 42 sirens across the city.
Plus, some aging sirens now have updated technology.
We added 2 new sirens to cover the development up near the PGA.
One siren is on the east side of the PJ development. The other is at Panther Creek High School.
And that'll cover all of those hiking and biking trails, obviously the PGA, and then there's a lot of development in the works up in that area.
14 warning sirens were also updated as part of the project.
We have some older sirens. We're upgrading the technology to match the newer sirens like the ones we just put in. They should all work better, and it will also extend their lifespans a significant period of time.
Voter-approved bonds paid for the project, which cost just under $400,000.
It's all about life safety when we set off those sirens.
Some people who are new to Frisco and North Texas are unfamiliar with how outdoor warning sirens work.
Outdoor warning sirens are designed to let people know that are outside to go inside and monitor the weather. We set off the sirens for tornado warnings. We also set them off for hail, large hail, over 1.25 inches. And we also set them off for high winds, so wind speeds over 70 miles an hour.
The city sounds outdoor warning sirens the first Wednesday of every month at noon to test system functionality. Sirens are not sounded if skies are overcast unless there is an emergency.
While the outdoor warning sirens are a great way to communicate that risk and threat to the public, there's also a number of other ways to get those messages.
One of those is Code Red, the city's emergency notification system.
You can sign up for that and get severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado warnings directly to your phone via text, email, and phone calls. And that message comes straight from the National Weather Service.
Code Red will also notify residents of other types of warnings, including natural gas leaks or hazardous material spill. Learn more about Code Red and the outdoor warning sirens at friscotexas.gov/beprepared.